Welcome to this video of my course. So all of the data is with us and we are on our gig creation page. So let's start the gig creation. First of all, I'm going to copy and paste the gig title here, and here you can see I have done it. So the next step is very important. In this step we have to choose the right category for our gig, and how we can know that what is the right and appropriate category for our gig. It's very simple to know, and I will show you it in a bit, but let me choose the categories. Here is I know about them, and then I will verify them by showing you the method. I will choose the main category as digital marketing, and from this section I am going to choose the video marketing, and from service type I am going to choose video SEO. So now let me show you that how to know what is the right category for our gig. For this we have to go to sellers gigs again that we have chosen to gather the data, and here you can see that I have opened one of those gigs, and here you can see the main category is digital marketing, and I have also used the same for mine. And here in this section you can see that this gig is using video marketing, and you can see that I have also chosen the video marketing, and then at the end this gig has used service type as video SEO, and here on my page you can also see that I have also chosen the same video SEO. So let's move to the next step, and here we will add tags. And as I have already told you that the tags that we have chosen, at least 2 or 3 of them must be those ones who suggests the same. And if you cannot find enough keywords that are same to each other, or they are not the ones which suggests the same, then you can break the double keyword which is of 2 words, and you can use one word as your full keyword from those 2 words, but that one word has to be the one which is suggesting the same. And then there is another third scenario, which is this, that you can use a keyword which has been already used in your gig title. So as you can see, as I pasted the first keyword YouTube channel, and it has shown and suggested us the same. And this is very good sign, because if our two double keywords are the ones who are suggesting the same, then it will be not a matter if our other keywords suggest the same or not. We can do more experiments with them. So here you can see, as I have pasted video SEO, and it has also suggested us the same, but as I have entered channel promotion, then it has not suggested us anything. So the first two of our tags are the ones that have suggested the same, and that is also enough. And now we can play with our other 3 tags, but keep in mind that whichever tag we are going to use, it has to be from those gigs that we have chosen to collect data. So as you can see, all the sellers are using keywords. Like here you can see YouTube channel, it is a 2 words tag, and I can choose YouTube or channel only as my full tag, but for now I will use YouTube channel here. And then our next keyword is channel growth, and as I have pasted it here, it has also not suggested anything. But as there was a keyword used in our gig title which is organic, so I can use that word as full keyword also, and you can see it has suggested same also. So let's move to the fifth keyword, and as you can see that when I have pasted this video marketing keyword here, it has also not suggested us anything. So I'm going to replace it with also keeping the third scenario in my mind, which was that we can use the keyword which has been also used in our gig title, and I will replace this keyword with growth. And here you can see that YouTube channel has been used for 2 times, so I will remove this keyword from here, and by and I will replace it with by YouTube only as our full keyword here. So here you can see our gig tags are completed and we are good to save them. And as I have saved, you can see here in the link section that all the keywords that we have used in our gig title have been added to our link also. So this is the reason for which I was asking you to use the maximum keywords in your gig title, because those keywords are going to help you in the future. Is if these keywords are going to be searched on Google or any other platform, then the chances are very high that our this link will appear to those searchers. So that's all from this video, and I will see you in the next video.